Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix network request failed using Instagram. First of all, you have to go for your settings, go for your apps and notification, click on your Instagram or search for your Instagram. Okay, then go for it. Click on storage and cache, clear cache, and you can clear also the storage. Go back and see that your problem get fixed or not. If it's not, then go to your Instagram and just uninstall it, and after that go for your Chrome browser, search in the search bar that older version of Instagram, then go for in this first link, older version of Instagram Android. Scroll down, and after that you can see all of the older version are here, and you can go for see more and get more older version of Instagram. You have to choose one Instagram from here. If I choose this one, you can get this download option here. So it's loading now and it's done. Now you have to download it, and after that you can fix your problem by this older version of Instagram. So that's it. That's the process. This is how you can fix your problem. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.